Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a deep work in a discussion of Charlie Munger's 4-step investing checklist. Munger is a well-respected investor known for his partnership with Warren Buffett and his focus on value investing principles. The video outlines these 4 key steps in Munger's approach to evaluating investments. 1. Understanding the business. Munger emphasizes the importance of understanding the business you're investing in. He highlights the concept of the circle of competence, which means only investing in businesses or industries you truly understand. This step is crucial to avoid investing in companies out of fear of missing out. 2. Durable competitive advantage. Munger looks for businesses with a durable competitive advantage or a moat. A moat is something that sets a company apart from its competitors and allows it to maintain long-term profitability. Examples of moats include network effects, low-cost advantages, strong branding, and valuable resources like patents. Recession management quality. Evaluating the quality of a company's management is another essential step. Munger suggests looking at how well the management team has run the business and how they've allocated capital over time. Good management is critical for the long-term success of a company and can significantly impact your investment returns. For price and margin of safety, Munger emphasizes the importance of buying stock at a fair price or below their intrinsic value. The difference between the stock's true value and the purchase price is referred to as the margin of safety. This concept helps protect investors from losses if their estimate of intrinsic value is incorrect. The video explains that Munger's investment philosophy is based on these 4 steps, and it encourages viewers to apply these principles to their own investment processes. It also touches on the idea that even great companies aren't worth an infinite price, emphasizing the importance of having a rational approach to valuation. Overall, Munger's approach to investing focuses on understanding the business, seeking companies with competitive advantages, assessing management quality, and ensuring a margin of safety when buying stocks. Following these principles can help investors make more informed and successful investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.